जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, आज 47,600 करोड़ की 15 विकास परियोजनाओं का शिलान्यास और लोकार्पण माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के कर कमलों द्वारा होना है। ये कानपुर नगर ही नहीं बल्कि प्रदेश में ऊर्जा का विस्तार करेगा और सार्वजनिक परिवहन प्रणाली से जीवन को और सुगम और सहज बनाएगा। मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय से अनुरोध करूंगी कि बटन दबाकर 47,600 करोड़ की 15 विकास परियोजनाओं का शिलान्यास और लोकार्पण करें। बटन दबते ही शिलापट का अनावरण उपहार कानपुर नगर के वासियों के लिए।
All right, and there you see that big Vikas push by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's launching the railway project in Kanpur, as this is the inauguration of the Kanpur metro stretch. It is at a costing of more than 2,000 crore rupees. This, as we just heard from UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who lauded Operation Sindoor and the valor of our forces. Shortly from now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who will also deliver an address. This is amid the big infrastructure push by Prime Minister Narendra Modi of the inauguration of the rail over bridges in Panki. There, that special video that is playing to give those who are watching a sense of the infrastructure development that UP is all set to see, as it will not just be road upgradation for Kanpur industrial growth, but it will also be the metro project and the commencement of Defence Corridor Connectivity Road. Remember, this project that will cost more than 200 crore rupees, and UP that is set to see a big development push as part of the inauguration of this project. In few minutes from now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing all those who've gathered on the ground, and there you see this big development push, which is set to cost close to 3,000 crore rupees. Let's listen in. All right, that is that very video that is playing on your screens, which of course gives our viewers a sense of the big development push that will now be in Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is present for this special event, as he is there to inaugurate the big metro project, and this is tuned at more than 2,000 crore rupees. Also in attendance as UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who spoke just a short while ago, where he not just lauded our forces for Operation Sindoor, he also spoke about how India, in that very measured and targeted response, has destroyed terror bases in Pakistan. This is for the first time that such a decisive action has been taken. And just as we heard from UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, shortly from now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who will also be addressing one and all over the big development push. Remember, just a short while ago, he had also met with Shubham Dwivedi's family. Shubham Dwivedi, who was killed in the Pahalgam attack.
6,500 करोड़ रुपए से अधिक की ओबरा सी तापीय परियोजना और 5,500 करोड़ रुपए से अधिक की खुर्जा तापीय परियोजना के साथ ही 9,338 करोड़ रुपए की घाटमपुर थर्मल पावर प्लांट की यूनिट 1 भी राष्ट्र को समर्पित की जा रही हैं। इस संयंत्र में उत्पादित बिजली का 3/4 हिस्सा उत्तर प्रदेश को ही मिलेगा। अन्य विकास परियोजनाओं में शामिल हैं बिठूर विधानसभा क्षेत्र में अग्निशमन केंद्र के आवासीय अनावासीय भवन, पनकीधाम क्षेत्र में 2 फ्लाईओवर एवं बिनगमा में 40 MLD टर्शरी ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट का निर्माण। 300 करोड़ रुपए से अधिक की लागत से जनपद गौतम बुद्ध नगर के ग्रेटर नोएडा में निर्मित 132 केवी क्षमता के 2 विद्युत उपकेंद्रों के लोकार्पण से वहां विद्युत वितरण की व्यवस्था और मजबूत होगी। साथ ही गौतम बुद्ध नगर में 140 करोड़ रुपए की लागत से 220 केवी विद्युत क्षमता के उपकेंद्र का शिलान्यास भी किया जा रहा है। जनपद कानपुर के गौरिया पाली मार्ग और डिफेंस कॉरिडोर के अंतर्गत प्रयागराज हाईवे स्थित नरवल मोड़ से साड़ होते हुए कानपुर डिफेंस नोड तक मार्ग के चौड़ीकरण एवं सुदृढ़ीकरण कार्य का किया जा रहा है शिलान्यास। यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के कर कमलों से विभिन्न योजनाओं के लाभार्थियों को चेक एवं आयुष्मान वय वंदन कार्ड का वितरण आम जन तक विकास का लाभ पहुंचाने के डबल इंजन सरकार के संकल्प को सशक्त करेगा।
That you asked here over this big development project to be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's laying the foundation for key infrastructure projects in Kanpur. As you see, Prime Minister is also expected to address a public rally shortly from now. Prime Minister, in this Kanpur visit, inaugurating and laying the foundation stone for a series of development projects worth over 2,000 crore rupees. In fact, the key highlight of this visit is the inauguration and laying of a foundation stone for 5 units of Khurja, Obra, Jawaharpur thermal power plants and other key projects. All the power projects that will significantly spruce up the power infrastructure in the state. Prime Minister is also expected to deliver that address shortly. A lot of preparation that has gone into this big day. And UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who personally looked into every detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurating a crucial section of the Kanpur Metro Rail project, which is also a part of this visit. In fact, that newly completed stretch from Chunniganj Metro Station to Kanpur Central Metro Station, constructed at a cost of over 2,120 crore rupees, comprising of 14 planned stations, including 5 newly built underground stations. This segment that is expected to provide improved urban mobility, connecting key city landmarks and commercial hubs, boosting public transportation, and by and large easing city traffic, which hugely matters to the people. Prime Minister also to inaugurate the widening and strengthening work of the Grand Trunk Road while laying the foundation stone for a 220 kilowatt substation at Sector 28 under the Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authority. In fact, he will also inaugurate 2 132 kV substations in Greater Noida to be developed at a combined cost of over 320 crore rupees. These facilities that are expected to significantly enhance electricity distribution, supporting the growing industrial and residential needs of the region. In the power generation sector, it is a major milestone. That will be the inauguration of the 660 megawatt Panki Thermal Power Extension Project in Kanpur, to be built at a cost of more than 8,300 crore rupees. The project that is set to play a crucial role in expanding the state's energy capacity. Complementing this is the inauguration of the 3 660 megawatt units of the Ghatampur thermal power project, which is estimated at a cost of 9,330 crore rupees. The visit that also includes the inauguration of 2 new rail over bridges at Panki Powerhouse Railway Crossing and at Panki Dham Crossing on Panki Road in Kalyanpur, Panki Mandir in Kanpur. In fact, further supporting urban development, Prime Minister will also inaugurate the 40 MLD tertiary treatment plant at Bingavan in Kanpur. That is to be developed at a cost of over 290 crore rupees. And the plant will enable the reuse of treated wastewater, promoting sustainable water resource management and conservation efforts in the region. Prime Minister, in fact, will also lay the foundation stone for key road projects to strengthen Kanpur's industrial and defense connectivity. These will include the widening and strengthening of Gauria Pali Marg in Kanpur Nagar and a road link connecting Narwal Mode on the Prayagraj Highway to the Kanpur Defense Node. So there you see, it's a big infrastructure push for UP. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is visiting Kanpur in this connection shortly from now. He is all set to deliver that key address. Prime Minister just a short while ago had also met with Shubham Dwivedi's family and assured them that the centre stands by those who've lost their loved ones in the Pahalgam terror attack. While condemning it, he said that the fight against terror is very much on, it continues. And those who've lost their lives in the Pahalgam attack, their killings will be avenged have been avenged. Prime Minister Narendra Modi there in Kanpur in that big infra push. And there you see all the senior officials and dignitaries present there for this very important event, gracing the Prime Minister's presence. There on the dais, Prime Minister being given a warm and a grand welcome. And even as he's being honored, you see the kind of excitement amongst the crowds to be able to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister who's set to address all these people in a short while from now. Let me cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us with further details on this big infra push and what's expected will make it to be a part of Prime Minister's key address.
Well, we will see the Prime Minister speak obviously about what has happened in Operation Sindoor. And let me tell you, Prime Minister Modi has been giving very stern messages to the world and to Pakistan also. And that is exactly what we will see play out in front of our eyes, Suesha. Just in a couple of minutes from now, Prime Minister Modi will be speaking with the people. And this is the state of Uttar Pradesh that we are talking about. Highly emotional state and the state which gives the highest number of MPs. So very, very crucial. The state elections slated for 2027.